Hello, this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. Today we've got a 2012 Nissan Versa. I'm going to do a walk around and start up to this vehicle. So, like I said, it's a 2012 Nissan Versa. It's got a 1.5 liter Nissan engine, or excuse me, 1.8 liter Nissan four-cylinder engine. This vehicle only has 85,000 miles on it. Body's in really good shape, nice silver color. It is a four-door hatchback. Alright, let's take a look in the rear. Door cards look good, it's got power windows. Seats look really nice. Door card looks good. Headliner's in good shape. Alright, you got power windows, window lockout, window locks on the door card there. Driver's seat's in good shape. Passenger seat and door card is alright. It does have power port down here. They do have an aux port as well in there. It does have air conditioning. Looks like it's got a CD player. Who uses CDs anymore? Okay. So, I lied to you on the miles. I said 85. I got that transposed. It's got 58,390 miles. So this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicles that we have in our inventory, give us a call, 360-273-0711. We work with financial institutions that work with bad credit and no credit. We use national banks, and we also use credit unions, and then we also in-house finance as well. So no matter what your situation, we do have a financing option for you. Thank you for watching.